Well, we're in the Peace Hall, which is in Halifax. It's a staggering piece of architecture. We're really honoured to be here. We've already put this on in a different form in the World Trade Center in New York in May. So the first time it's going to be shown in Europe is at the Peace Hall in Halifax, at the gallery on the first floor.
The Peace Hall is located in Halifax, West Yorkshire. It started in 1779 as a Georgian cloth hall. Now it's a visitor's destination that is a center for retail, culture, and arts. So the Adventures in the Electroverse is an exhibit in our gallery, which is located directly above the West Gate, and it is on for the entire month of October until the 3rd of November.
People can come along, sit in there and just kind of immerse themselves in the experience, really. It's quite unusual to have an immersive three-dimensional sound experience. And they can hear stories from some of their favourite electronic music artists and artists in general. For you to dwell a while and listen to it and maybe even shut your eyes and imagine you're in a completely kind of magic realist sonic space.